Hi, this is Andrew Parnell with Earlybird, and today I'm going to help you understand the difference between data warehouses, data marts, and data lakes in 3 minutes. Let's get to it. All right, starting off with data warehouses. Quick reminder, this is a centralized and structured data store for your business. Key points are 1, it's business readable, 2, it's cross-function. But in reality, how does this play out? Let's say you're the marketing director and you want a marketing analysis. Well, you might not care about some of this other data. You really just want to look at this particular slice. So that's where data marts come into play. We take the data warehouse for a specific functional area, and instead of giving access to the entire data warehouse, we slice up one particular piece for your functional area. So we'll cut the data from the customers and the products, and we'll put that into the marketing analysis mart, which you then have access to, and you can do your analysis on a subset of that specific data for your functional need. Then each other functional area would do a similar approach for the data that they need. Okay, these are your data marts. Another look at this, we get the raw data from the sources. We bring that raw data into a centralized but unstructured area. Then we structure that data into a data warehouse. Then we build out individual marts. We slice them up for per functional area, and then you do your analysis on those slices. Okay, so what's a data lake? Data lake is a slightly more modern and slightly different approach. And the thinking here was, well, we're getting all this raw data from these sources. We're storing it in this centralized but unstructured place. But if the end state is to slice this up per functional area anyway at the end to get this analysis, why take that extra step of structuring and storing it in a different place when we already have it stored in one place? So a data lake says, let's keep the data in this unstructured but centralized space here in the middle. And then instead of copying it to a data warehouse, let's just let each functional area interpret that data based on what they need. So you basically write up a lightweight schema, which is basically a map for your function to look at a specific subset of that raw data. So you say, I'm the marketing director. I care about the marketing information. I'm going to look at this unstructured data, and then I'm going to structure it and pull out, I want customer data and I want product data. Then each functional area will apply their own map and be able to do that analysis. So the end state is the same thing. You're still doing an analysis on your particular functional group on a subslice of the data, but in the warehouse standpoint, the data is actually being moved into structured places each time, and you're actually slicing your part of the data. Whereas in a data lake, you're keeping that data in this unstructured place and then basically applying a map or a little view to get your functional area. But at the end, it's the same thing. We could go a lot deeper next time, but just wanted to give you a quick overview so you have a good basic understanding of data warehouses, data marts, and data lakes. See you next time.